I just arrived at Pantai Minyak Beku. Pantai Minyak Beku, also known as the Frozen Oil Village, is where you can find the BATU PAHAT well, which later I will show you. And there's little park here, overlooking Malacca Strait. Beautiful place. So later I'll walk that way, around that area. I think that is where you can find the BATU PAHAT well. Just gotta go by this staircase slowly. It's next to a police station, I think. And then be around there. Okay, here is the entrance to the staircase to the BATU PAHAT well. Okay, let's just proceed up this staircase. Very rocky. Carefully. I think that's the police station over there right ahead. Supposedly right next to the BATU PAHAT well. Walking down this rocky staircase. Gotta be a bit careful here. Okay. I think that's the BATU PAHAT well. Anyway, this well was chiseled by the Siamese when they came to attack Malacca around during the 15th century. And it has been here ever since. You can read about it here. There's a little description of this BATU PAHAT well. Really interesting feature. I think I know why they call it the frozen oil. I think it really looks like some kind of oil, cooking oil, or I don't know. It doesn't look like clear water as you would expect from a well. Yeah, but there it is. And just above is the police station. I see they did a good job making a little cute little park here where you can just walk around and just relax around, sit around, take pictures. There's a little cafe right next to the park. Feeling a bit hungry now. Time for some food. The menu looks pretty impressive. Let me see what I can find. I ordered the chicken chop aglio olio. Looks pretty good. It'll be gone the moment I'm done with this video here. And also, while you're in Malaysia, never forget the bandung. Yum yum. Okay, just had my lunch. Beautiful place. Small little road leading to a car park further up. On the way back to the hotel, I made a quick stop at BATU PAHAT Mall to get some snacks for the night. BATU PAHAT Mall is one of the largest malls in BATU PAHAT, with hundreds of shops inside, as well as a large cinema. I believe it's called Paragon Cinema. See a lot of handphone shops here. Oh, many levels of shopping here. Giordano, familiar brands. Yeah, I believe they actually did a good job renovating this place, make it look modern. So do visit this mall if you happen to be in BATU PAHAT.
Okay dear friends, that's my little video on BATU PAHAT. I hope you liked watching this video as much as I did making this video. And if you like this kind of content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.